Today we're working on our holiday tradition of making acorn cookies as Christmas presents. And we've got, what type of acorns are these, Owen?
They are white oak.
They're a type of white oak. Yep, called chestnut oak. And chestnut oak has the second largest acorns of any North American oak tree.
I'm gonna sneak away.
The bur oak is a little bit bigger, but they don't grow wild around here as much. There's planted ones, but this chestnut oak, you can find it on ridge tops growing everywhere, and they make tons.
I found someone named Cat.
Oh, Cat's here.
Cat.
Hello, Cat. I was just explaining about chestnut oaks.
Oh.
They are super delicious, and you can make flour out of them or porridge or all sorts of stuff. You want to help us?
Or you would also make acorn cookies, which we're doing right now.
Yeah. You want to show us the first step, O? So we've collected these acorns, and they've been in our refrigerator, and now we're processing them.
And first, we smash them. Oopsie. I'm going to use the mason jar.
You gonna use the mason jar?
I think it's a bit better.
And do you think doing them all at once like that is the best way, or one at a time?
One at a time.
Ah, that's smart. So you crack them, and then what do you do next?
Peel them open.
Peel them open? Is that a good one?
Yeah.
Ooh, looks really white and creamy.
Yeah.
Sometimes they don't look good.
Yeah.
But this one looks really nice. So we put the good ones in here.
I can't reach the box.
These are the nice ones, and they're starting to turn brown. They oxidize as they've been sitting around a lot, and they don't look as creamy anymore. But that is fine.
Can I try to do that? Can I try to do that?
Yeah, you give it a try.
Okay.
Let's crack.
You hold this, like this, and then you go.
And here comes the race. We're going to see which is the faster acorn cracking tool. The little mason jar or the big pounder. You guys ready? We each have 6 acorns. Who thinks they're going to win? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, man. Pulverized.
So he's gotta get more, knock him off the table. Grab him from the bag. Oh, he's got one peeling. Oh man, go, go, go. Look at that focus. Here she comes again. Oh, they're hard to squash, but she's got it. Right in half. Let's see about Zoe. Ah, knock him off again. She's got focus. There it is, cracked right in half. Does it look good in there? Not a good one? Throw it in the junk bin. Zoe, how's yours look? So far. Ooh, that looks like a good one. Alright, maybe just focus on cracking them, and I'll get them out for you. Oh, 2 at a time doesn't seem to work for you. What do you think you can do? Got it cracked? Yes. Okay, starting to sprout a little bit. There counts. Is that your last one, then? She's done, she's done. It looks like we have a tie.
Nice work, you guys.
Crack one more acorn.
Crack one more?
No, that one has a sprout. Where are the unsprouted ones?
So we're saving the ones with the sprouts.
Here.
And we're going to plant those at the farm so that in the future we have more acorns.
Doing a challenge for one more acorn.
One more acorn?
Who can crack it first?
Let's see. And here are the ones that have sprouted. You can see the little radical coming out. Hey, puppy. So white oak acorns are unique in that they start to sprout as soon as they fall off the tree.
Yeah, they do. Oh, she's down there. She found some packing peanuts. What's packing peanuts? Those are. Sorry. This is my brother. She's gonna help me look for her. I will too.
What is that?
I found a whale. Look.
A whale in the packing peanuts.
It has a bunch of acorns. Can you help us out?
Oh yes, the cookies are saved. We'll have enough to finish.
There.
Thank you, whale.
Yeah. You can take all these acorns. I'm gonna go back and no. Now we have so many acorns. Show them in there.
Let me show 'em. Yeah. I think we're about ready for the next step, huh?
Yeah.
All right.
Alright, so we've got our acorns all cracked. Now we're gonna clean them. Kitchen sink. Right now. we go. Alright, so now we're going to take them, and we're going to fill them with hot water. And then when the bowl is full, we'll bring it back down towards the ground. There you go. And now we're going to agitate the nuts a bunch to try to clean them and get some of this skin off of them. So we're just going to mix them around real good, and the skin stuff will sort of float to the top. And we don't have to peel it all off, but getting some of it off will be nice. Just mix it real good. You can see, yeah, this stuff's sort of coming off. Oh, this one. So we'll just do this for a few minutes, and we'll drain the water and move on to the next step. We've washed the nuts, the acorns, and now we're going to take them over to the food processor.
Uh-oh.
What?
Looks like something isn't on right.
Well, do you know why? Does anyone know why we process the acorns and like do that stuff?
Tell
It's
me.
because there's a lot of tannins that are really bitter in the acorn.
That's right.
You try to get out, you change the water and you boil it, so you get all those tannins out and you have really good cookies instead of super bitter cookies.
Exactly. Yeah, so right now we've ground up the acorns in a food processor, and the finer you grind them, the faster they'll leach. And we're gonna boil them in here and then dump out the water, and it'll be this really brown, dark water with all the tannic acid in it. And we'll do that probably 4 or 5 times until the acorns don't taste bitter anymore.
Yeah.
Yeah. So here is the water that the acorns have been boiled in. You can see it is very brown. So I'm going to pour it off, refill it. Like I said, we'll do this a bunch of times. Smells really pleasant though, nice and nutty. So we have changed the water 3 times now, and we're going to taste the acorns to see if they are bitter.
It looks like a swirl.
What do you think, my love? Give it a try.
Is this okay? I can't get them on this floor.
There you go.
I want to try. They're mushy. They're mushy, gushy, gushy.
How do they taste? They taste bad? Taste good?
They taste like they've been sitting in water, but they also don't taste bitter.
Nice. Alright, next we're going to strain them and mix them with some flour, butter, eggs, and sugar. Maybe chocolate. No chocolate.
Hi. Well, now we are going to pour this in. Oh, yeah, Puppy, you can do it.
So that's all our acorn flour. About 2 cups, all ground up and leached.
Yeah. I was taking a cat nap. Oh, those look like some good acorns. Owen. Okay. Now you're gonna put this over. Hold out. This is over, and the half of it with this flour.
So this is the chestnut flour from Route 9. So this is great stuff for cookies on its own. But neither chestnut flour or acorn flour has gluten in it, so it doesn't hold together very well. So we're going to make sure to add some wheat flour too. You can also just use lots of eggs to hold it together, but we're going to do some wheat flour. That looks good. And then we also have some butter cut up there. And we're going to do cinnamon, brown sugar. It should be super tasty.
that looks pretty good. That's good. Nice work. Oh. Got a little flour. Alright, dump it in. Mix it up. Maybe we'll sprinkle in a little bit of cinnamon too. Cheese mixing. These brownies here are nice. Nice work. Let's put the butter in there with the sugar, and we'll stir it all together real good. So we cut the butter up, mix it in with the sugar, and then we're going to crack 2 eggs in there with it, mix it all together, see how it looks. Not an exact recipe here. Well, first we'll mix. I'm going to crack an egg in and ruin that plan for her. So we got 2 eggs in here. And like I said, we are not very precise cooks in this house. And we also don't like to dirty more dishes than necessary. So we mix that together next. And put it in the big bowl. We'll mix together. Now, kitties are helping us. There we go. Alright, we're gonna mix it all up, make cookies from half of it, and then add chocolate chips to the other half. Perfect.
And then we'll mix it all up.
And here's the final product. What do you think?
Good.
Good?
Yes, good. Let me taste. Good.
Look, so we did some chocolate chip ones, some regular ones. Tasty?
Yeah. Happy to this Merry Christmas. Happy to this Merry